Welcome to Organizers Direct how-to video series. This video will demonstrate how to recam a fixed shelf.
So as you get ready to cam the shelf, you'll notice the first thing we did is we've installed the hex bit into our screw gun. When I cut the shelf, I was aware of which side was going to show to the customer. This is going to be a shelf that's above my head, so the cut side is on the cam side. And that way when I install this, I'm going to have as good a cut as possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the jig and I'm going to slide it over the edge till it bumps up against the backstops. Using the cutoff piece, making sure that I got front edge lined up to front edge or back edge lined up to back edge. I'm going to line up the cut shelf, and then I'm going to just with the tip of the headache jig, I'm going to line it up to the center of the cam, and then using my tightening wheel, my clamp, I'm just going to clamp this down onto the shelf. Once it's good and tight, I can move my excess piece, and then just using the drill, I can just drill down each of the holes. I'm going to loosen the clamp, slide it off. I'm going to actually get rid of the excess out of there, clean it up a bit. Line it back up with my front edge, get to the center, clamp it down, and then drill my two holes. Release the clamp, empty it out, and tap out any. Now you can see that I have the 20mm and my 10mm holes drilled exactly where they need to on the shelf. So the next thing I need to do is break the cams out of the scrap piece that I have, and I'm just using this 2x4 as an edge and my non-marking hammer. I'm going to play whack-a-mole and just try to break this off on the edge. Normally I would do this on the edge of a table saw or my saw and just break it off manually, but because we're working on a delicate surface, I want to make sure I don't damage any product. From there, I can just pop out the cams. Once again, using my non-marring hammer, I can set the cams where they go on the shelf and just tap them back into place. We are ready to install our freshly cut cam shelf.